If you ever get lost in the wild, your biggest enemy won't be hunger, it'll be thirst. 3 days without water and your body begins to fail. But here's the secret. Even in the harshest wilderness, you are almost never far from water, if you know how to look for it. This is how to find water when you're completely alone, and your survival depends on it. The first rule, water always flows downhill. When you're lost, stop wandering aimlessly. Climb to higher ground, look around, and read the landscape. Valleys, gullies, and dips in the terrain are nature's highways for water. Follow animal trails. They're not random. Deer, boars, and even insects instinctively move toward water. If you spot a cluster of lush green plants in an otherwise dry area, that's a sign. Plants like ferns, reeds, or willows only grow where moisture is near. Nature is talking to you. You just have to listen. Now stop moving. Be still. Let the forest breathe around you. In the silence, sound becomes your guide. The gentle trickle of a stream, the distant rush of moving water, it can carry hundreds of meters through the trees. Turn slowly and listen for subtle changes in sound. If the noise grows louder, move in that direction. Water is patient, but it always reveals itself to those who wait and listen long enough. But what if there's no sound, no stream, no river? Then you dig. Search for damp soil, areas thick with insects, or animal tracks that end abruptly. That's where underground seepage hides. Dig a small hole, half a meter deep, and wait. Soon, water will begin to pool from the ground. It might be muddy, but it's life. At dawn, the forest gives another gift: dew. Wrap a cloth or a t-shirt around your legs and walk through tall grass or bushes. When it's soaked, wring it out into a container. It won't be much, but every drop counts. You can also collect rainwater or condensation by stretching plastic or large leaves over a pit and letting droplets run into a cup or bottle. In survival, creativity is your weapon. But don't rush to drink just yet. Clear water doesn't always mean clean water. Parasites and bacteria can kill faster than thirst. Always boil water for at least 5 minutes if you can. If you don't have a pot, use a metal container or even heated stones dropped into water. No fire? Let sunlight do the work. Fill a clear plastic bottle and leave it under the sun for a few hours. UV rays will kill most microorganisms. Even filtering through layers of sand, charcoal, and cloth can make a dangerous puddle drinkable. Remember, one dirty sip can end your survival story before it begins. Finding water in the wild isn't about luck. It's about observation and patience. The earth, the plants, the animals, they all point the way if you stay calm enough to notice. Survival isn't about conquering nature. It's about understanding it. And when you finally take that first clean sip, it's not just water you found. It's life. So the next time you step into the wild, remember this. Stay aware, stay calm, and nature will provide. Because out there, water isn't just survival, it's hope.